in this tutorial we will learn the latching circuit. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of the latching? In the next tutorial we learn when we press the push button the motor is turning, when we press and when we released our hand the motor was stopping. And now I just want to press start button once, okay, and then I want to turn motor always. How can we do this? This contactor has a coils and normally open and normally close contacts, and then normally open contact is here, okay, and left click to it. Imagine this is our contactor, normally open contacts. When the contactor is active, this open contact will be normally closed, and that moment this contact will be allowed to pass power flow to the right side. So when I put it to here, okay, what will happen? When this contactor is active, this will be normally closed. Then via this normally closed contact, the power will go from here, will feed to supply to this contactor to reach to neutral, and then this contactor will be active always. So let's test once. And then activated simulator, push button, just press one times, and via this you can see now this is normally closed. Via this contactor is, dear students, in Udemy you can see as Derstagram Akademi, this is our course profile, and then you will see my courses, okay. And for Derstagram Akademi you will see 8 different courses: Delta, Omron, Siemens, and Industrial Automation and Electrical Board Basics, Arduino and Lenze, and you can create your own SCADA with C# and Eplan, okay. Then you can come to here, you can check my profile, and you can get these courses as lowest price with my web page, okay. Left click to website or go to derstagram.com, okay, and there you will see rich courses buttons for lowest price. In Eplan, for example, let's click to this and you will see this coupon code is applied, okay. See you in my courses. It's activating always, then the motor is turning and I am pressing, but now you can see this is latched. So how can we break this latch? So you said, okay, with the one button I want to turn my motor, this is turning, it is really good and it is working, but suddenly you realize there's a danger, there's a dangerous occasion is happened and you want to stop this motor. How can you do this? Imagine the power supply is too far away from you. Because of this you need a stop button, okay. Then via here stop button, left click to it, and in here then this power will go to this contactor, and okay, just a second, okay, and then okay, this power will go to contactor via stop button. Stop button is normally closed. Always stop buttons are normally closed buttons, and via this you can run the contactor and motor via this stop button, and then somebody's pressed the stop button, this will block the line, block the power flow to the neutral, and then this motor power will be cancelled, okay. Let's test once. Now, okay, so I press the push button 1 to start button, then now the contactor is latched via normally open contact, now normally closed contact, and then we have a power 2 on the contactor, and then via this contactor's coils the motor is turning. Then I press the stop button, then the latching is cancelled, the latching is broken now, so there is no power. Then you can see it is opening and the power flow is broken now again, so you can see it is okay, and latched and unlatched and latch and unlatched, the latching, unlatching. This is the meaning of the latching and unlatching circuits. This is really basic. So you are latching the circuit, and then with the just one pulse, one push button, okay, it's turning, and then stop button and unlatched. That's all. So I'm finished for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.